Magandang hapon, Pilipinas at buong mundo. Naitay Kapuso, pahiram po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Sa lahat ng mga kasama ho natin sa Facebook at YouTube, sa lahat ng nakikinig po sa DZWB, welcome to the program. Ang ating special guest po ngayong hapon ay isa sa pinakamahusay at isa sa pinakamaganda na artista sa pinilakang tabing at sa telebisyon. Naitay Kapuso, please welcome Miss Snooki Serna. Dali, bakit ang ingay-ingay? Chang Susan, nag-i-intro ako, daldal ka ng daldal dyan. Ano bang problema? Pati si Cookie ay ipinasok mo na. How are you doing, Chang Susan?
Para po gumanda ako, naghahanap ako ng susuotin. Dito.
Anong susuotin mo?
Ito po mga blusa dito.
Alam ko na, ang hinahanap siguro nito yung blusang itim.
Opo.
Cookie, pasensya ka na ha. Ganyan lang si Chang Susan.
Ay,
Halika
it's
na,
okay,
oh.
Tito Boy. Tiyang Susan, hindi ka nagaganda dahil ang magic blusang itim ay nasa akin pa rin.
Yun naman pala eh. Sorry.
Tito Boy, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm fine.
Kahapon
thank you,
pa
Tito
yan, nung nalaman ni
Boy.
Chang Susan na darating ka, wala nang namutawi sa kanyang bibig kundi blusang itim. Buti naman at nasabi mo na nasa iyo pa rin.
Yes, Tito Boy.
One of your biggest movies.
Yes, thank God.
1986.
Yeah, thank
Tama
God.
ba? It was one of the biggest... 1980?
1986.
Tama. One of the biggest hits of
Tito
that
Boy,
year.
na taon yun, nag-people power.
Tama.
Pinalabas ang blusang itim. And we were thinking, nako, hindi kikita to dahil, nagkakagulo-gulo tayo. But on the contrary, in God's good grace, it really was the biggest box office hit of the year.
Tama. The biggest box office hit of 1986. Nagkasunod-sunod yan eh. Blusang Itim and other movies
Yeah.
na ang tema ay kagandahan, beauty.
Yes,
And I wanted to talk to you about this, even in our previous conversations. Dito sa industriya, Cookie, I mean, looking back and even examining the present, gaano kahalaga ang ganda versus talent dito sa ating industriya?
Tito Boy, I will be very honest with
Sige
you.
nga.
I feel that ganda is nabibigyan ng more attention, more focus, more important than talent. In my opinion, you're asking me, Tito Boy, parang yun ang napapansin ko, mas nabibigyan ng kahalagahan yung physical appearance. Yung talent will come much later on.
Okay.
But of course, if you'll ask me, Tito Boy, ang sentiment ko about it is, sana, yung talento muna ang tignan, yung kagandahan, darating na yan, mag-i-improve na yan as time goes by, Tito Boy.
Pero through the years, Cookie, nagbago, nag-evolve na ba ang iyong pananaw sa kagandahan? What was beauty to you then, and what is it now?
Tito Boy, yes. Significantly, Tito Boy, kasi I am guilty of the same. Nung bata ako, Tito Boy, I was very vain. Akala ko nung araw hindi eh. But when I look back now, in retrospect, anak ko, isa ako sa mga gandang-ganda sa sarili, tingin ng tingin sa salamin, Tito Boy.
Okay.
But now I realize that corny as it may sound, contrived man, yung beauty should be, internal more than physical.
No, but it's true. It's
Yung-
real.
Di ba, Tito Boy, yung outward appearance natin, hindi naman yan, fleeting yan, mawawala din yan, wrinkles will happen. Sa akin, nangyari na, nakikita ko na yung mga kulubot ko sa forehead, and I accept them. I see the wrinkle here and there, but I'm happy, I'm grateful.
Part of my story.
It's part of my story.
Right. Yan ang kukwento ika nga ng iyong mga kwento.
That's
And let's talk about my father's wife. Congratulations. Di ba?
Ay, thank you, Tito Boy.
Congratulations.
It's doing very well. Maraming salamat po sa inyong mga nanonood po sa amin, hapon-hapon, at sa mga susuporta pa po. Maraming salamat sa
You
inyo.
play
Minda, the wife
Minda,
of
the
Gabi.
original wife.
The
tama?
original wife of Gabi,
Oh,
yes.
anong klaseng wife, anong klaseng ina si Minda sa my father's wife?
Tito Boy, si Minda tough. She's strong. She's very empowered. But at the same time, hindi nawawala yung pusong ina niya. She's a concerned parent, concerned mother. In a lot of ways, may pagka self-sacrificing.
How much of you is her? And how much of Minda is Snooki?
Tito Boy, I'm so happy to have realized that so much of Snooki is Minda.
Can you be more specific?
I'm so hurt, Tito Boy. Na-realize ko na habang tumatanda ako, I am my mother's daughter. Ako pala anak, I'm not Mila Ocampo's daughter for nothing. May katatagan din pala ako at meron din pala akong natatagong strength, confidence sa sarili. Meron din pala akong self-empowerment if I want to exude that confidence or that internal confidence, more importantly, meron din naman pala.
Took a journey though, no?
It took a journey, my goodness.
Tama.
And how. But I thank God. Una sa lahat ito, boy, I don't want to sound like I'm preaching to the people, but really God is so good.
He is. He is. There's no doubt about
Yes.
it.
Amen.
And you are having fun ba with Kazel and
Tito Boy, yes, I am.
Kylie Padilla?
Walang attitude yung mga bata.
Pero
Tito
itong
Boy.
dalawa, when we talk about Kylie Padilla and Kazel Kinucci, good girls.
Ay, good girls. Tito
Good
Boy,
actresses.
Good actresses. And I'm not saying this because I'm doing a project with them. I really, I admire them very much because they're professional and they're generous.
Plus, of course, you're working with Gabby Concepcion.
Ay, that's
Kumusta
another story,
naman
Tito Boy.
iyong original na ka-love team?
Tito Boy, nag-emote bigla. Tito Boy, alam mo ba si Gabby, para sa akin, isa siya sa pinakagwapong artista nung henerasyon namin. And today, talagang lalo ko napoprove, totoo nga, talagang yung beauty ni Gabby is classic and it never fading yung beauty niya.
I will agree.
It's forever and wow, I'm gushing, Tito Boy.
And I love
And
it.
so, pagka ngayon kami nag-eksena, sorry po, pasensya na, pero talagang minsan parang lumilipad yung utak ko, Tito Boy, kasi ang tinitignan ko yung lips ni Gabi, mga ganon.
Napaka-pink, di ba?
Pink na
Lumilipad ang iyong utak na may konting
Tito Boy,
pag...
yung may konting, para may konting,
No, because the chemistry is there.
yes.
The chemistry is there.
Totoo, I must admit na
Oo.
sa lahat ng mga nakasama ko, I love all of them. I'm thankful that they were so kind to me. But si Gabi talaga, iba yung chemistry namin dalawa, Tito
Totoo.
Boy. And even Gabi acknowledges that. Pinag-uusapan namin, iba din talaga yung even our director, si Direk, hi Direk Aya, thank you. She told me that at one point, na iba talaga yung niyo ni Gabs, para kayong totoong
Kakaiba, no?
mag-asawa.
Pero no, I want to go back to pagka-eksena mo siya, tinititigan mo siya, you look at his lips, at lumilipad ang iyong isipan. Saan? Anong iniisip mo?
Tito Boy, para bang iniisip ko, it could have been me.
Oh!
Di ba, Tito Boy, joke na wala ang voice?
No, but I understand.
No, but di ba,
Oo.
pagbigyan nyo na ako, syempre,
Siyempre
ganun talaga
naman.
yung mga
Oo.
fan.
Right.
Talagang,
oo.
if any, talagang ako'y tagahanga ni Gabi.
Alam mo kung bakit importante? Because there's a certain kind of chemistry. Hindi lang kind of chemistry, but chemistry kasi is not invented.
That's true.
You either have it or you don't.
Exactly.
At kayo, mababang mga bata pa kayo, hanggang ngayon, nariyan pa rin. Look at you.
Tingnan mo to,
Look at
Tito.
you, di ba? Wow.
Ay, ako.
And look at the eyes. Pareho kayo. Look at the lips of Gabby Concepcion, di ba?
Mga mistis at
Ano yung pagkasabi mo
mistizo.
kanina? It could have been?
It could have been me.
Paano nga ang nangyari noon? Bakit napunta si Gabby?
Delusional, eh, no?
No, it's not. Si Gabby napunta kay Shawi, and then si Albert,
Napunta naman sa akin
how
at one
did it
point.
happen?
Ay, naku, Tito Boy, as fate would have it. Ano naman talaga, si Gabi, well, si Albert kasi, I think was the first boyfriend of Shawi.
Okay.
Ngayon, I don't know kung ano nangyari sa kanilang dalawa, parang they were supposed to do yung first movie ni Sharon. Unang-unang pelikula.
Dear Heart.
Dear
Yes,
Heart.
oo.
Hi, Shawi. Hindi natuloy si Albert because of something. Si Gabi ang pinahiram ni Mother kay Sharon. And the rest is history. Tito Boy, nagka-developan ata sila on the set of Dear Heart.
Samantala ikaw,
Ako naman, napunta naman ako kay Albert at na-develop naman ako kay Albert at medyo na-develop din naman sa akin si Albert.
okay. Pero si Gabby hindi nanligaw?
No, never, Tito
Hindi ka
Boy.
na in love?
No. Ako?
Oo, ikaw.
Tito Boy, naku naman, na-infatuate talaga ako, Tito Boy.
ikaw. Pero hindi ka nagparamdam.
Sincere yan ha, nakakaya
I know.
sinasabi to, pero totoo.
I'm looking at your eyes. I'm looking at your eyes. I know you're telling
This
the
is not
truth.
showbiz talk ha.
Yeah.
Pagpaprofess na ito ng pagmamahal kay
Oo.
Gabi, nakakahiya-hiya, pero...
So, na-infatuate ka, na-in love ka as a young girl.
Yes, because di ba, Tito Boy, pag bata ka, you have crushes.
Right.
Ang talagang super crush ko si Gabs.
How far did you go? Did you let him know?
No naman, no.
Ah, no.
Yung mga panahon na yun, parang conservative tayo dito. Pero ngayon na para bang nagkakaedad na, para bang, oh, it's now or never, you know. Joke! Oy, hi, Gabi.
I mean, let's talk about love teams. Komportable ka doon sa konsepto. Sa iyong palagay, nakakatulong ang love teams sa mga karera ninyo noon.
Tito Boy, I will admit that nakatulong ng husto. Especially with my career, talaga in my career, nakatulong talaga yan. But I'm not too for it. I'm not against it, but
Why?
I'm not
Why are you
really
not
excited about
so
it.
for it?
Kasi Tito Boy, parang nawawala agad yung identity mo as an actor. Nasa-stifle ka agad, nagiging part ka agad ng love team. And more importantly, yung on the personal side, batang-bata pa lang kayo, nade-develop na yung mali siya sa isa't isa, Tito Boy.
Okay.
That's the danger there eh.
Pero ngayon, sa nakikita mo, in today's generation, palagay mo relevant pa rin ang love teams?
I think so, Tito
Parang,
Boy.
no?
Kasi nakikita ko kina Donnie, kina Belle, tapos kina Ruru, kay Bianca.
Right. It's still there.
Yes, it's still
Hinahanap
there.
pa rin talaga.
Nahanap.
Wow, but I'm just so excited. My father's wife, before we start, imbitahan mo ang lahat.
Mga kapuso, please, tangkilikin niyo po ang My Father's Wife. Palabas na po kami tuwing hapon, 2:45, from Monday to Saturdays. Salamat po sa inyong pagsuporta sa amin. Please, patuloy po kayong sumuporta, friends. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Okay. Fast talk with Sunuki Serna. Cookie. Cookie o kukay?
Kukay?
Maganda, masaya.
Masaya.
Maganda, mayaman.
Maganda.
Blusang itim, koronang itim.
Koronang itim.
Teleserye, pelikula.
Teleserye.
Drama queen, fantasy queen.
Fantasy Queen.
Love team era, leading lady era.
Leading Lady era.
Awards, box office.
I have to be practical, box office.
Aktres na gandang-ganda ka, Sunuki.
Hilda Coronel.
Aktor na poging-pogi ka.
Miguel Rodriguez.
Favorite Sunuki Gabi movie.
Miracle of Love.
Your first screen kiss.
With Lloyd Sammartino.
Movie you regret doing.
Lord, bakit ako pa?
Let's talk about it later. Movie you regret not doing.
Hindi nahahati ang langit.
Oh, your dream project.
I don't think I have a dream project, Tito Boy. Panagawa ko na rin lahat eh.
Okay. Gagawa ka ng libro sa buhay mo. Ano ang title?
Saved by Grace or siguro A Story of Milagros kasi miracle yung buhay ko.
Guilty or not guilty? May artistang ayaw makasama.
Meron.
Guilty or not guilty? Napagalitan ng senior star.
Guilty. Guilty both counts guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Tumanggi sa project dahil sa direktor.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Na-conscious sa billing.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Sinisilip ang ex sa social media.
Ay! Guilty.
1 to 10, rate yourself bilang ina,
An 8.
bilang partner,
I'm a 6.5, 7.
bilang kaibigan,
Bam. 7.
bilang actress.
8.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights off.
Happiness or chocolates?
Chocolates.
Best time for chocolates.
Oh, any time of the day.
Ipapamana mo ang blusang itim. Kanino mo ibibigay?
Nakasama ko siya at kasama ko siya ngayon, Kylie Padilla.
That's nice. At the peak of your career, Cookie, yumabang ka. Ang kasagutan sa pagbabalik po ng Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. So, kasama pa rin po natin ang nag-iisang Sunuki Serna. At the peak, Cookie. And let's just go back a little bit. Yumabang ka.
Yes.
Tell us more.
Ay, naku, Tito Boy, for a long time, talagang it got into my head. Delusionally, I thought that. Akala ko para bang I was just fighting for my rights. Ako isang pained artist and I was fighting the system. Pero hindi, let's call a spade a spade. Talagang it got into this head lang.
Okay.
And that is all the deceit of the enemy, Tito Boy. But I praise God that He put me in my place. Ang daming nangyari sa akin na hanggang ngayon na nilalagay ako ng Panginoon sa lugar ko. That anytime, He can just take it all away. The oxygen in my lungs, everything around me, it's all temporal. Temporal. So I have nothing to boast
But
about.
ang maganda after contemplation, di ba yung nababalikan mo at yes, I embraced the fact na nadala ako, yumabang ako, and that was wrong, di ba? Ungrateful. ungrateful na buo ka ngayon.
Amen. That's
Di ba?
true, Tito Boy. I'm very, very grateful that after all the things, the crap that I put myself through,
Uh-huh.
it's not anyone's fault. It's my fault. It's my own doing, Tito Boy. Wala akong sinisisi kundi ang sarili ko. Buo pa din ako. Somehow, nandito pa din ako, Tito Boy. I'm still standing. I'm still talking to you, Tito Boy. And it's
Right.
all in God's good grace.
You said something kanina that you realized that you are your mother's daughter. Kasi kasikatan mo, pag sinabing Snooki Sir na nandun ang iyong ina.
Si Mami Mila Ocampo.
Of course. And when you look back, what does your heart say about your mother?
You know, it was not all the best times for us ni Mami. But then again, Tito Boy, ngayon nagbabalik tanaw ako talaga yung it was all my fault. I became a very rebellious daughter. But all my mom wanted for me is the best. Una sa lahat, Tito Boy, hindi naman niya ako pinilit mag-artista. Gusto kong mag-artista. Ayaw nga niya. Hindi ka panipaniwala because I started at 3 years old. But the truth of the matter is, yung tita ko na si Eden, siya yung naging accomplice ko para ako pumunta sa LVN Studios at mag-audition.
Audition.
And then, nung teenager na, tinatanong naman ako ni Mami, ni Dad, gusto mo na bang mag-relax, go back to school? I wanted to act. I love acting. I'm not the best, but I really love the process.
You're one of the best.
Thank you, Tito Boy. I love coming from you. I'm humbled and
Yeah,
grateful.
you are one of the best.
Thanks, Tito Boy.
You're a powerful actor. Kailan ka dinurog ng industriya at kailan ka o paano? Depends on how you wanna take it. Paano ka dinurog at paano ka binuo ng industriya?
Ooh, that's a loaded question, Tito Boy. Parang ang hirap sagutin. Ako, Tito Boy, siguro I'll have to humble myself and be honest na hindi naman ako, well, everything happened inadvertently, as I always say, I love
Right.
saying. It was not a conscious effort to destroy me. If ako ang sumira sa sarili ko noong mga panahon na ako'y naging durog at basag at talagang hindi na malaman kung saan pupulutin, Tito Boy. But siguro kung naging medyo may konting kasalanan din ng industry at that point, kung siguro naging instrumental sila somehow, siguro was the fact that there was one point in time na parang tinignan ako as a commodity and not as a human being. So parang even if I was hurting inside, parang nakatalikod lang. And I was exploited.
Okay. Paano ka binuo?
Tito Boy, thank you for giving me this floor, Tito Boy. And I would like to take the opportunity to give a living testimony that God, only God, made me whole again. Not anyone,
Not the
even
industry.
not the industry, but it was all in God's good grace and still is in God's good grace that I am being made whole again.
Gusto ko po maka-eksena si Snooki Sir na. And we're doing a scene from Blusang Itim. Nakatayo ba ako? Sige.
Rolling,
Si Papa.
5, 4, 3, 2, action!
Ako ang partner ni Angelo. Malapit na kaming ikasal.
Bakit mo sinasabi sa akin yan?
Kasi sinabi ni Angelo na meron daw siyang bagong girlfriend. So I became interested. I came here at nung nakita kita, alam ko na. Dadalhin ko si Angelo sa doktor. Kasi palagay ko may problema siya sa mata. Dahil hindi naman mahilig si Angelo sa mga katulad mo. Ang mga tipo ni Angelo ay mga pang beauty queen, fashion model.
Bakit mo sinasabi sa akin ito? Pang beauty queen? Ikaw ba, beauty queen?
Alam naman ikaw. Umexit ako. Maraming salamat, Cookie. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat. Nais po naming imbitahan kayo na panoorin po ang aming mga full episodes sa GMA Network YouTube channel at sa gmanetwork.com/ABS-CBN. Entertainment. Maraming salamat. The one and the only Snooki Serna. Thank you. Naitay, Kapuso, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagpapatuloy sa amin, sa inyong mga tahanan at puso araw-araw. Be kind, make your nanay proud, and say thank you. Do one good thing a day, and let's make this world a better place. Goodbye for now, and God bless. Voice of La Carmela de Boracay, thank you. Thank you, Cookie.